Malacanang has explained that the Citizens Council organized by President Benigno Aquino III has no intention to override the results of the hearings in the lower house of Congress on the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law. Nel Maribohok tells us why.
Malacanang emphatically announced that the Citizens Council organized by President Benigno Aquino III will not proceed nor bypass the Congress discussion of the Bangsamoro Basic Law. Presidential spokesman Edwin Lacerda expressed that the only purpose of the Citizens Council is to keep the public informed regarding the BBL.
I think Yusek Balte got some questions on will the National Peace Summit supplant the legislative process. Certainly it will not. As we all know, that the power to enact laws emanate from within the House and the Senate.
Bayan Muna Representative Carlos Zarate said the council might precede the actions of the Congress in their discussion on the proposed law. It is also said that the Citizens Council is somewhat an admission of government that the BBL is not in accordance with the law. The Government Peace Panel once again reiterated that every provision in the draft was thoroughly scrutinized. Nonetheless, Professor Miriam Coronel Ferrer left the responsibility of reviewing and polishing the provisions of the Bangsamoro Basic Law to the Congress.
Again, we know that the draft law is not perfect, that it is up to Congress to clean up, fine-tune all the different provisions.
Nel Maribohok reporting for Y News.